guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about perfumes that will cool you off during the heat wave. So if you like herbal perfume, if you like aromatic perfume, this episode of my video will be for you. If you don't know me, my name is Justina and this is my perfume world and I want to welcome you in it. I hope you will subscribe to this channel if you like the content, of course. Leave a like or dislike, comment, and let's start. All right, so the first fragrance, it reminds me of, you know, going into the church when you are in your Mediterranean vacation. And this one is from Zara. It is Incense Sunset and it is created with Jo Malone. So if you like Jo Malone fragrances, I think you will like it as well, especially if you like incense. And this one smells like citruses put on the incensey base in general. So yeah, the Incense Sunset, I think the name is good for this perfume. It is citrusy and it is aromatic from the incense. So it's like, it has this cooling off effect on you. So nice, and it is quite potent and long lasting. So I think as for the price, as for Zara, this one is amazing. And look at the bottle, I really love the cap and the see-through bottle. Very minimalistic but elegant. What else can you want from perfume, you know? So another one is Encre Noire from Lalique, and this one is very aromatic as well. This one might be polarizing to some people. I've heard people saying it smells like cemetery, you know, like a dead body. Nothing of the sort for me. Like, it smells like Halloween. No, for me it smells like woody aromatic fragrance. You know, like the floor in the forest with the pine needles, aromatic green forest, you know, the green from the forest. So nice, so calming, so relaxing and aromatic. It has musky base as well. So this one actually I was wearing in the heat last year and it, you know, it stood the test of the heat wave. So it wasn't that bad. Some people are complaining for the longevity of this fragrance. I will say it depends because it has ISO-E super molecule. So sometimes I'm anosmic to it, but all in all, it often happens that I feel this fragrance on me for the whole day. It is not very intensive, but it's still present. So if you like aromatic, cold fragrances, like woody, foresty fragrances, I think Encre Noire will be perfect, and this is a great bang for your buck. It smells like a niche, but it's very cheap. So Encre Noire from Lalique, it's like this, it has this cold aspect to it. Another scent is very interesting. It's from Etat d'Orange. I have only sample here. It's Attaquer le Soleil Marquis de Sad. And this fragrance, according to Fragrantica, has only one note, which is labdanum. But I think they have mixed in something else in here, but it really is like a bitter herbal fragrance. Very cold, bitter herbal. If you like the sound of it, you may want to check out Marquis de Sad. It is original. It is like perfectly unisex. It doesn't lean masculine. It doesn't lean feminine in any way, at least for me. It is just like a very bitter herbal fragrance. So if you like sound of it, you can try it and, you know, tell me. Or if you have this fragrance, let me know. How do you feel about it? But I think it is so nice as well for this very, very warm days. Another scent is scent that is very cheap, but for me is very original, and it has like slight niche quality to it. Longevity is not great, but the scent profile is something else. It is Gocce di Napoleon. So this scent is very fresh, as I said. It smells like herbal lemonade for me. It has slightly citrusy vibe, slightly vintagey soapy vibe as well, but most of all, it is like sharp herbal as well. So it is very unique, I must say. If you like slightly vintagey scents, I think Gocce di Napoleon will be for you, but don't be put off by me saying it's vintagey. You know, it's only slight feeling I get. It's quite classic, but at the same time slightly edgy and green and herbal. well. It is very cheap, so if you have a chance to test it, you can even blind buy it. It is do so, of course, and it's eau de toilette, so it won't last you very long time. I have 30 ml, so I think I can just go and respray. So original. I highly recommend for a heat wave because it also has this cooling effect. So Gocce di Napoleon. Another scent is from Nuit Nomade, and here I have Mr. Vetiver. So in general, if you like very green fragrances, aromatic fragrances, I think Mr. Vetiver will be for you. And also don't be put off by the name Mr. Of course, we can wear whatever we want. For me, it's a perfect unisex fragrance as well. However, I've heard some people saying that it is slightly leaning masculine to them. So of course, test before you buy, before you spray yourself, like, you know, you douse yourself in the fragrance. Oh, someone is drilling outside, so amazing. Sorry for the noise, but okay, I won't be, you know, standing up and closing the window. I cannot be bothered. So Mr. Vetiver has vetiver, of course, and it has some green notes, like freshly crushed leaves, slightly, you know, slightly dry. So nice, so aromatic. As I said, if you are into green fragrances, this one will be for you. All right, another scent is a classic already, and many people is talking about it, especially during the summertime, and I'm not surprised at all. It is You or Someone Like You from Etat Libre d'Orange. It is minty, it is musky, it is airy, and basically this one is for me as the fresh mint leaves, you know, sprinkled with ice cold water. That's the effect I have. And of course, this is the feeling we love during the summer, you know, getting something minty, cold, and this is what we want basically. So I think this one will be perfect for a heat wave. It's very cold, and after the shower, it gives you this sparkliness, this very, very strong cleanliness. So I think this one is perfect for a heat wave as well. Another scent is from Lush, and this one is minty as well, but slightly in a different direction. This one is like minty, but more like a toothpaste minty, and this is Dirty, and this one is mint, but it has some dry undertone, like dry chalky undertone to it. I don't know if you know this fragrance, let me know what is your impression about it, but I feel this slightly dry undertone, like dried mint, something like this, because You or Someone Like You is more like a fresh mint, more, you know, more watery mint, if you know what I mean, but this one is more dry. So this one is fresh as well, but it's more challenging, I would say. I like it per se, I like it, but for some people it might be slightly challenging. It may have some, you know, shaving product aspect to it to some people, so you need to test it out before. But I think Lush is also a great cooling alternative for people who are searching for minty fragrances during the summer. Another scent is, of course, a classic for me already. It's Bois Imperiale by Canton Biche from Essential Parfums. I absolutely adore this fragrance. It is spicy, it is aromatic, it is slightly cold but slightly sweet as well. It has Akigala wood, which is a fraction of patchouli, you know, devoid from this basement accord, you know, it doesn't smell stale. Some people do not like this aspect of patchouli, so here it is like patchouli that is clean, that is peppery. I absolutely love it. It is very potent, clingy, it lasts you all day, even in high heat. Lately I was wearing it when it was very hot outside, and it lasted me the whole day. So it's, you know, it's a challenge for a perfume to last me the whole day when there is a summertime, and this one stood the test of temperature. So I highly recommend you try Bois Imperiale by Canton Biche. All right, another scent is classic already as well. but it's like older one. It's Salvador Dali Laguna. So this one doesn't last that long for me. It evaporates quite quickly from my skin. I'm slightly sad about it, but the scent profile itself is very beautiful. When I smell it, I can see like this slightly tropical cocktail that you are drinking on a beach, but it's like the colder summer day. So nice, so aromatic, sweet. It is unisex as well. For me, it's borderline masculine, feminine, so original as well. So nice, and the bottle is just stunning. Look at it, has it, you know, shines in the light. So beautiful, slight, like tiny work of art, you know, so nice. So this is Salvador Dali Laguna. Another scent is Florabotanica from Balenciaga. Unfortunately, this scent is discontinued already, but if you have a chance and you still can get it, just get it. If you like rose fragrances, like rose garden after the rain feeling, I think this fragrance will be for you. It is green, it is rosy, it is wet. That's what I can say about it. So aromatic, so clean, so nice, yet so original. So if you haven't tried it and you have the chance, please just buy a bottle. Don't think twice, because it's absolutely beautiful. So it's Florabotanica Balenciaga. Another scent is from the Italian brand. So if you have the chance, if you are in Rome, for example, you can go to this perfume shop and test for yourself. It's from Essenzialmente Laura. It's Incense Roma. The name is very long. I will give it to you in the description if you want to see the full name of the fragrance. Basically, the scent smells like an incense burned in church. So it gives you this feeling of entering, again, cold church during the summer heat, and you feel automatically, you know, cooled down. It has this cooling and soothing effect on your skin, and that's what you get with this fragrance. This is incense basically, and musk. So nice, so potent as well. Last year I sprayed like 1 time or 2 times, and my husband was complaining that he can feel this fragrance even into the next day. I didn't feel anything, you know. I must admit that I tend to be nose blind for those incensey fragrances in the majority. So sad for me, because I love this scent profile. However, I'm telling you, it is potent. If you like incense, if you like to feel cooled off by the incense, this one will be perfect. It's, you know, it's a pity. It is too bad that it is not widely available in the stores, you know, in Europe. But if you are in Rome, in Italy, you can check it out. Another incensey fragrance, which is more, you know, available, is Room 1015, and it's Purple Mantra. So here again, we have incense, but it is on the herbal base. Slightly flowery, slightly herbal, very refreshing as well. Cooling down, entering into the church, you know, from the hot summer day. So nice, and it is not, you know, groundbreaking. If you know the scent of churchy incense, that is it. But it has some kind of transparency to it, so it won't be overwhelming. So I think we are going for not so overwhelming scents in the summer, and this is it. So if you can, you know, bear incense on your skin during the summer, Purple Mantra from Room 1015 will be perfect. So this is it. Another scent is from Zara again, and it's like the new series of the scent Evening Safari Drive, and this one has sandalwood and eucalyptus. So if you are aiming for this green refreshing aspect into the perfumes, so this one will be basically for you. So it is calming, it is slightly cold. The name is perfect for this fragrance, actually, Evening Safari Drive, because I really feel like I would be on a dry African land, you know, in the evening, observing wildlife, you know, and it's calm around me, and I can feel, you know, those aromatic herbs and trees around me as well. So I think this one captures the name beautifully. So nice, so relaxing, so refreshing. I cannot speak as usual. Evening Safari Drive from Zara. Another scent would be Loewe Polas Ibiza. This one is my discovery of the year when it comes to, you know, long-lasting, not that expensive fragrances. So aromatic, so beautiful. It smells like, you know, wet wood, slightly tropical as well. It has this vanilla coconutty aspect, but it's not like nauseating, nothing like that. Very fresh, but very original at the same time. It is slightly bitter as well. It has galbanum in it, so this galbanum note gives it this nice bitterness. So it feels like you are at the seaside and colder wind starts to blow in general. It doesn't have any marine notes, but the overall feeling of this cold wind, cold aromatic wind, is present in this fragrance. So it is very elegant, uplifting as well, but original and slightly strange sometimes. Prada Ibiza, Loewe. Highly recommend you, if you have the chance to test it out or to buy it in a good price, don't think twice. Another scent is Rus and Rus, and it's Mentha Religiosa. I was speaking about this fragrance on my channel already. This is mint mixed with some old wood from the church. That's the feeling I get. So nice, as well, slightly sweet, like this, you know, peppermint bubble gum, but mixed with wood. So original. So it's basically a mint that you smell when you are in a church. That's, I know it sounds strange, but that's the feeling I get. So nice, so cooling, so refreshing as well. And the last fragrance, I think is a classic already. Jo Malone, Wood, Sage and Sea Salt, and this one is kind of dry. It smells like, you know, dry herbs in the Mediterranean, and the salty wind is blowing on your face. It's slightly, you know, dry, aromatic. It's cooling as well. So nice as well, but it doesn't last very long time, so you need to spray it a lot or respray it during the day. But I think all in all, I think it's a good fragrance for a summer, and it's cooling as well. So that was it for today. Let me know what are your suggestions for those aromatic herbal cooling fragrances. I would like to know, so please leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.